Okay, so I just got back from school and I came over here and there was this weird sound and I have no idea where it's coming from. Definitely not that Christmas tree over there. And looking around, I am the only one here. Well, apart from the kittens. And yeah, the cats. That sounded like a car. Just give it a little bit more light. How cute. There are more in there. I'm not going to go in there. Now, about the mystery of that weird light. What was it? Let's go find out. There it is again. Sounds like it's coming from my room. Definitely not the boiler. Could it be coming from up there? Possibly. I can hear that weird sound and the boiler from here. Very, very strange.